Attention, attention. This EAS message has been broadcasted from the Ardenland 56 nation and is not a test. Please listen carefully. We have been getting multiple reports of subjects with a weapon, all blue and black clothing, a mask on, driving in old vans that are black. They always are attacking on people and are very dangerous. These people have been spotted in the areas of Playeth Village, Cool Durango, Arden X48 is back, Dora Republic, Benjamin 3, Dora Republic, and Aiden for Life, Cool Durango, and all surrounding areas. If you see any of these people, please hide in the safe set spot you can find. Explanations are done. Stay safe.
This is a regional emergency hosted by Ardenland officials. As this is not a test, please listen carefully. The suspects, now referred to as Guyanese rebels, have been spotted in all of the regions of Durango, Dora Republic, and now Dagponina. We are now hosting a quarantine for these areas, as they are too dangerous and we are handling it. If you hear this message and you are not quarantined, please do the following. Board up windows, lock all doors, barricade all entrances and doors. Get to the safest place in your home, and bring these items. A weapon, supply of water, battery-powered radio, batteries, TV, supply of food, and any other items of need. If they try to break in or they already broke in, get your weapon and kill them. You are allowed to at this point. Important messages on TV, and other messages on radio. Please stay aware of any messages. Stay safe. You may now continue to your normal programming.
This message has been broadcasted from the Ardenland officials, as this is an interview with a survivor of the mass rebellion. The message has information that you might need and some may be interesting or useful.
Alright, hello sir. Are you a survivor of the rebels? Yes I am. So, what did you see the rebels doing to these citizens? They were yelling at them, hurting them, and sometimes even taking them. Damn, that's pretty messed up. Have you ever been captured by them? I have. It was very traumatic. What did they try doing to you? They tried giving me a very painful death. Oh my goodness. Okay, so where did they send you to? They sentenced me to a house that said Gulag on it in Bruce City. It was yellow and it was on Card Street. Geez, I'm writing that down right now because this is urgent.
This alert message has been sent by the request of the Ardenland 56 nation. As this is not a test. They have reached the whole nation. Soldiers and rebels have started fighting each other, and have started a war. This means that you must stay inside. Your house might even get destroyed. All rule. The Ardenland's troops, and long live Ardenland 56 land. Let me